Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Academy, and this is your friend Mahi. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, computer. Let's get started, and please don't skip this video for better understanding. The term computer is derived from the Latin word computere, which means calculate. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that accepts data from the user, processes the data by performing calculations and operations on it, and then generate the desired results to the user. Charles Babbage, also known as father of computer, who invented the first general purpose computer. Abacus is the first mechanical calculating device and used for addition and subtraction. Pascaline was the first mechanical adding machine developed by Blaise Pascal. If you see the screen, there is a computer, the first electronic digital computer, which is called ENIAC. And EDVAC is a binary computer developed by John von Neumann. Let's see the generations of computer. Generation refers to the state of improvement in the development of system. So the computer on the screen is the first generation computer which was invented in 1940s. The computer was made by using vacuum tubes, and the speed of this computer is 333 microseconds. The operating system used in this computer is batch operating system, and the language that accepts the computer is machine language. The applications of this computer is it is used for scientific purpose and size was very large. Example, ENIAC, UNIVAC, Mark I, etc. If you see the screen, this is the second generation computer and it was invented in 1950s. This computer was made by using transistors. The speed of this computer is 10 microseconds. The operating system used in the computer is time-sharing operating system and multitasking operating system. The language that accepts the computer is assembly language. The applications of this computer are it is used for commercial production. Example, PDP-8, IBM 1401, etc. And the computer which is visible on the screen is the third generation computer. It was invented in 1960s using integrated circuits. The speed of this computer is 100 nanoseconds and the operating system used in this computer is real-time system. The language accepted by the computer is high-level language. So the applications of this computer is database management system, example NCR 395 and B6500. The fourth generation computer which is visible on the screen was invented in 1970s by using large-scale integration circuits or microprocessors. And the speed of this computer is 10 picoseconds. The operating system used in this computer is time-sharing and GUI interface. The language accepted by this computer is Pascal and ADA. The applications of this computer are in distributed system, example Intel 400 chip, Macintosh. The present using computers are said to be the fifth generation computers. The switching devices used are super large scale integrated chips. So the applications of these computers are in artificial intelligence, for example, in robotics. Let's move to the classification of computers. Computers are classified into three types based on size, function, and purpose. Again, based on size, the computers are classified into four types. Microcomputers. They are the least powerful yet the most widely used and fastest growing types of computers and are also called portable computers. Types are laptop, personal computers, tablet computers, handheld computers, personal digital assistant. And number 2, mini computers. They are smaller in size, faster, cost lower than the mainframe computers. Initially, it is designed for engineering and computer aided design calculations, but now used as central computer which is known as server. Example, IBM 17, DAC PDP 11, HP 9000, etc. Number 3. Mainframe computers. They have large internal memory storage and comprehensive range of software. Example of these computers are IBM 370, IBM S390, UNIVAC, 1110, etc. And number 4. Supercomputers. They are the fastest and most expensive machines which have high processing speed, and speed is measured in flops, FLOPS. Example CRAY1, PARAM, etc. Based on function, computers are classified into 3 types. Analog computers. They are job oriented computers. They can perform several mathematical operations simultaneously. Examples speedometers, seismograph, etc. Digital computers. They work by calculating binary digits. They perform mathematical calculations and also produce desired graphics, sounds. Example desktop. Hybrid computers. They are the combination of analog and digital computers. Machines used in hospitals like ECG and dialysis are the commonly used hybrid computer. Based on purpose, the computers are divided into 2 types: general purpose computers and special purpose computers. General purpose computers are used to solve variety of problems by changing the program or instructions. Example, to make small database, calculations, accounting, etc. Special purpose computers are used to solve a single and dedicated type of problems. Example, automatic aircraft landing, multimedia computer, etc. This is the introduction to the computer. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss about the components of the computer. I hope you like this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to Lakshmi Academy. Thank you for watching.